Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about very interesting topic and a very great topic 3D wall decoration designs and ideas. There is another great way of decorating your blind walls 3D wall art. You can make very interesting things by yourself. Just be creative and make your free time be fun. Hang an old vintage frame and put flowers in it. It will look very chic. Also, you can make 3D beauty butterflies out of colorful papers. It is a great idea to glue book pages on your wall. It will look like you have open books on the wall. So we present you some of the best, fantastic, amazing and gorgeous dye 3D wall art ideas and designs. So there is a lot of designs are here and you can make such a great 3D painting wall design. So look no further than 3D wall decor, that is very great design, and you should to try this design because everyone like these designs and interior wall design ideas, especially for 3D wall panel. It looks like so luxury and beautiful. So an imitation of one's self perception, the decor of your house plays an essential role by turning it into a home. A wall decorated place determines how a property is designed, making it a comfortable space that help one boost productivity by ensuring mental peace. Wherever one may live, they are sooner or later confronted by walls. Some may find peace in muted walls, some want their walls to be loud and make some noise. If you are bored of dull and bland walls and want to refresh your space, so here are some of the best designs and you can collect the ideas. These ideas that can help you and boost your refresh by adding up to the wall. So like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.